Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. I made a very different cake this week. Since I was a little under the weather, I thought I'll make something that will go perfect for Ishi's weekly lunchbox. Often as mothers, we try and sneak in vegetables or nutritional value food in different forms. And this recipe is one such. It has lots of bananas and not so loved lauki. Yes, you heard me right. We are making a very delicious, nutritious cake using ripe bananas and lauki or bottle gourd. Feel free to use the choice of milk. I am here using almond milk and any flavorless oil. I have used light olive oil. The tip here that I can give you is always mix all your wet ingredients separately in a different bowl and all the dry ingredients in one. Now I will recommend that you whip the eggs separately. It will give you a much fluffier cake. I have shown in many of my earlier videos how I whip eggs separately, like egg white separately and yolk separately. These cakes that I am showing you today does not contain any gluten as we are using oats flour. I'm using 2 cups of grated bottle gourd. Make sure it's peeled. The tip here again is to coat the bottle gourd in the flour mixture. Now half of the flour mixture will be used in coating the bottle gourd and half of the flour we'll keep it aside for later. In a large mixing bowl, add banana puree, our liquid mixture, mix everything well and then add the bottle gourd flour mixture. In the flour mixture, I have already added baking powder and cinnamon powder. Now first we will incorporate this mixture completely into homogeneous mixture so that there is no lumps, as there is high likely chances that they will form clumps if you are not using a stand mixer or a hand blender. Then add the remaining flour mixture, and once everything is combined, add baking soda and vinegar on top. This will add a beautiful fizz and fluffiness to the cake. The quantity is perfect for a loaf tin, but I am dividing the batch for an immediate use and a small loaf tin batch for Ishi's tiffin box throughout the week. I'm adding some dark chocolate on top, but that's absolutely optional. Bake it at 160 for 20 minutes, then cover and bake it for another 20 minutes till the skewer comes out clean. For today's breakfast, I have decided to make Millets Poha. This is a very interesting one. I'm using jowar flakes for this, but feel free to use ragi flakes or bajra flakes. There are so many options now. You can totally replace the rice poha with these jowar flakes or any other millet flakes. Everything stays same as traditional poha. I personally like to load up poha with lots of vegetables, but today I just had beans on hand. If you enjoy the taste of curry leaves, then do try and include as much as possible in your daily diet, as it is a rich source of many nutrients. I'll quickly stir fry some peanuts. And in the same kadai, I will add a teaspoon of black mustard seeds or rye, a teaspoon of urad dal and channa dal, and curry leaves, and add all the peanuts again. This splatter guard helps me a lot. If you notice, I have a very big scar on my left index finger. That's because of an oil splatter. Once mustard seeds and curry leaves have splattered beautifully, then add all your vegetables of choices. Personally, I enjoy beans, carrots, potatoes, fresh peas in poha. Then comes the star ingredient, which are the spices, I feel. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of sambar masala, and I feel it adds such a whimsy taste to the poha. And once everything is cooked, I'll add minced ginger. You can also use grated ginger or chopped ginger, choice is yours. Add millets poha of your choice, and then sprinkle some water, just enough to soften it. You do not need to soak this like a traditional poha. Turn off the flame, add some desiccated coconut or fresh coconut of your choice, fresh coriander, and a splash of lemon juice. And our interesting poha is ready. And yes, of course, do not forget to add salt to your taste. I hope you enjoyed this video today. It was a simple one, but the recipes came out really well, so thought of sharing it. I hope to see you again in my next vlog. Until next time, bye-bye.